subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
ट्रेंडिंग न्यूज की अगर बात की जाए तो दलजीत कौर has been making headlines since morning. For the unversed, the actress got married to a Kenyan businessman named Nikhil Patel. They tied the knot on March 18, 2023, but faced marital issues within a year of their wedding. रिपोर्ट्स की अगर माने तो ये पब्लिकली बाहर आ चुका था दैट निखिल वाज allegedly involved in an extra marital affair, जिसकी वजह से दलजीत को अपना घर छोड़ के मुंबई वापस आना पड़ा. Daljit has been sharing quite cryptic notes and quotes on her Instagram since her divorce. Recently, Daljit कौर ने अपने Instagram पर जाकर एक cryptic birthday message लिखा निखिल पटेल के लिए. उन्होंने उस मैसेज के साथ काफी सारी तस्वीरें भी जोड़ी. In her emotional post, the actress wrote, "Last year, last night, I had gathered all your family members for a surprise dinner at that Asian restaurant in London. Hosting that evening as your wife was exhilarating. Though at that moment, that's how you introduced me. After dinner, without revealing our destination, we drove back to Beaconsfield for your birthday staycation. It had taken me days to finalize the hotel as I wanted to be a special day for you. It was your first birthday after our marriage and I was filled with excitement. Today, as tears stream down my face, I want to wish you a very happy birthday, Nick Patel. Everyone says I should begin healing. But here you are, reopening all my wounds and making them bleed again. I don't think I'll ever understand. You do what you do the way you do it. Right from sending my belongings to a storage house much before the date given by you through your PR articles to wiping the wall which I had painted for months with my chuda that I loved so much. And keeping a book in the foreground saying subtle art of caring, you have impressive ways to hurt me. And I know you're not done. You will come up with more ways soon. By the way, Jaden still calls you Papa. It's a shame how I have to teach my 10-year-old to unlearn that emotion. You got married to me in such a big way that my child can't just erase the memory like you have. So another notice on the way for SN. हालांकि दिलजीत ने अभी वो इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट डिलीट कर दिया है. यही नहीं, आज सुबह से एक वायरल वीडियो में ये दिख रहा है कि निखिल पटेल हैज लैंडेड इन मुंबई विद हिज alleged girlfriend Safina Nazar. Reports indicate that Nikhil and Safina arrived in Mumbai together and were seen displaying affection at a hotel shortly after their arrival. ये वीडियो एक लीडिंग न्यूज पोर्टल ने शेयर किया है, जिसका वीडियो शेयर करते हुए उन्होंने कहा है, "No words, just tears that won't stop." जिसके चलते जानी मानी टेलीविजन एक्ट्रेस देवलीना भट्टाचार्य जी ने निखिल को कॉल आउट करते हुए देवलीना ने लिखा है, "This person is already married and hasn't even gotten a divorce yet. He has arrived in India with his girlfriend. If I'm not mistaken, it's only been a year and a half since he got married to Diljit. Anyway, it's his life and whatever he does is his business. But who gives these people the right to ruin someone else's life? This gentleman claims that he didn't legally marry. Then what were those 7 fairas if not a real wedding? For people like him making a mockery of everything, every relationship is so easy. And then some so-called woke people will come and gyan denge, saying if those two people are happy, what's the problem? People with such a limited understanding should realize that we are talking about a third person here, about Daljit and her son. What about them? Is it that easy to forget everything and move on? Certainly for people like Nick, this might be a common occurrence, but not for a normal human being. This is wrong and will always be wrong. This is a lesson for every girl, every family that don't trust someone completely and dedicate their lives to such people. Be careful. Also understand that just taking the 7 fairas or having a nikah, etc. does not make your marriage valid according to many, and they can manipulate it if they wish to. It needs to be registered because there are many shameless and rude people who will take advantage of the situation and continue ruining. Cheating is definitely a choice, Nick. Also don't forget your daughters are watching too. ये लिखकर देवलीना ने दलजीत के लिए अपना सपोर्ट जताया है. ऐसे ही इंटरेस्टिंग अपडेट्स और गॉसिप के लिए फॉलो करते रहे इंडिया फोरम्स को.